Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and it's your favorite Empress, the Glam Empress, and I am here with my beautiful makeup model for today. And today I'm going to be doing somewhat of a cut crease look on her, but not really. It's one of them fake me out cut crease looks, and I have some new products that I picked up from the beauty conference in Orlando, and of course I wanted to try them out. And in order to become a better makeup artist, practice makes perfect, whether it's on your face or on someone else's face. So of course she let me practice on her face because she is a makeup artist as well. So we figured it would be fun to do a beautiful sunset makeup look. And first I just started off with cleaning off her skin and started doing some skin prep because that is key. And then I went in with arching out her eyebrows, and you guys, as you guys can see, she has beautiful thick eyebrows, so it wasn't much that I needed to do, but I just kind of just cleaned them up, filled in any sparse areas, and then I started going ahead and setting her eyelids to prep for her eyeshadow look. So now I'm going in with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I use a brow setter with all of my clients, especially if they have big, beautiful, thick eyebrows, just to ensure that their eyebrows stay in place. And then now I'm going in with my brown transitional color, and I'm using the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette for this. And then also I wanted to make this look a little bit more bold, so I did go in using a really deep dark brown eyeshadow as well for the outer crease. So with me, I'm usually a cut crease girly, but for this look, I just wanted to go ahead and use some eyeshadow primer, and I believe I used the eyeshadow primer by Anastasia. That's one of my favorite eyeshadow primers. You can literally just put this on and put a cream eyeshadow on top of the primer and get that neutral look that everyone's been going for. But I always use this eyeshadow primer for my base just to keep my eyeshadows on for longevity and also to make them pop in. Now I'm just going on top of the lid with my glitter pigments that I received from the beauty conference, and the vendor is called Eye Candy, and they are popular for their liquid sugar, which is a liquid adhesive that you will use to place the pigments on the eye. And with their liquid sugar, which is their adhesive, it causes the eye pigments to not move, to not fall out or anything. However, I was just noticing that when I was placing the pigments on the eyelids, some of the pigments were starting to peel off just a little bit, and I don't know if it was because I was dipping my brush inside of the liquid sugar and then dipping it into the pigments, or if it was the type of brush that I use, because as you guys can see, I did switch out my brush. Even though the look came out super pretty, I was still a little worried about how the pigments was being placed on the eye. So just be mindful of that, you guys. I do have to use this product again in just to see how to properly place the pigments onto the eyelids. But that's how they showed it to me at the beauty conference, y'all. So I don't know what I was doing wrong. I know they were using the pigments and the liquid sugar more as a eyeliner, where I was using it on the eyelid, but I still made sure that I was able to use it on the eyelid because I'm a full glam girly, okay? But all in all, after I worked with it a little bit, I fell in love with the process. And then of course, I love a good eyeliner. It brings everything together and make it more of a bold look. So that's what I'm using here, is the Glock eyeliner with a brush, and then I like to go over top of it sometimes with a liquid eyeliner as well. And let me know in the comments below, you guys, if you are doing makeup on clients or if you're doing makeup on yourself. Do you like to use a gel eyeliner, or do you guys like to use the felt tip eyeliner? I honestly like both. I've noticed that some of my clients, they do tear up sometimes when I'm putting on their eyeliner, so that's why I like using the Glock one. But you have to be very, very careful because you have to ensure that it dries. It does take a while to dry, and for some odd reason, I don't know why, but clients like to open their eyes every time I move away from their eyes, and then next thing you know, the gel eyeliner smears all over the eyes. So you have to make sure that you're telling them to keep their eyes closed while you're doing the eyeliner so it don't smear. And then also what I like to do is I like to just go over top of the Glock 77 eyeliner, even though you don't have to, but I do just for that extra boldness. And then with the liquid eyeliner, it helps me create a wing a little bit better with the felt tip point. After you use any type of glitter pigments or any type of glitter eyeshadows, I usually like to go in with tape just to remove that before I put on my base. And also another thing that I like to do is finish off my eyes before I move on to my base, you guys, because I work at Sephora and we have to move quickly and we have to move efficiently. And with me, I rather just finish off the eyes first so that way I don't have to go back to them. And if I do have to go back to the eyes, it's because I'm doing some touch-ups or what have you. But for the most part, I go ahead and finish off the eyes, and that's by doing their complete full eye look. And if they are getting lashes added on to the look, then I go ahead and put that on, so that way when I move to the base, I'm finishing off the base, and when I'm finished the base, I'm pretty much done. So that's what I'm doing here as well. Now I'm going in with my favorite foundation, which is the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. And I didn't have her exact color, but because I have an eye for makeup, you guys, I know how to mix colors and apply it to the skin. So as you guys can see, I got two different colors on my palette here, and I'm just mixing. I'm going in with the light, and then I'm darkening up the color by adding some darker foundation as well, just to balance out the two colors. And as you guys can see, it looks absolutely beautiful on my client. And I love the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation because I like how it's full coverage and it does give a natural radiance to the skin. It's not too dewy or luminous. It gives the right amount of glow to the client's skin. And I love that even if my clients have oily skin or if they have dry or combination skin, I just love that natural glow that it gives my clients, and it doesn't make their face look flat. So now I'm going in with the highlighting process, and the concealer that I use is a hidden gem, and it is the Kofi concealer. And I don't remember what color I used on her, to chisel out the nose and then also to do her contour with. So because I'm a full glam girly and I attract all the full glam girls, I like to top off my creams with a powder. So I just topped her off with the Juvia's Place bronzer powder, and then I'm also going in with the Huda Beauty powder in Kanafa, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and I'm just going over all of the concealed parts for the highlight. And then with me, I like to bake around the nose, because who doesn't like a snatched nose? I mean, we want our nose to be chiseled, okay? Like, don't nobody want no wide honker sitting on top of their nose or be on top of their face, y'all. I got a wide honker too, but I like to chisel it out when I'm doing my makeup just to give it a more slimming look. And then I've been falling in love with my Giorgio Armani cream blush. I forgot what color this is in, you guys, but I feel like this blush looks good on everybody. Like, oh my god, it's just chef's kiss to the skin. It gives you that sun-kissed glow, and it looks like it's coming from within as well. So I'm just going in with my Giorgio Armani. And baby, if you want that chiseled look to your face, especially for my round face girlies like myself, you want to go ahead and cut that contour, because that's going to give your face that snatched look. As you guys can see, I just went ahead and used some baking powder and just used a triangle puff just to snatch it down a little bit, and it's going to give her face a more narrow look. And then now I'm just going in with some pressed powder, and I'm just brushing everything away and pretty much blending everything in, so that way you don't see any harsh lines. And even though my Giorgio Armani gave her a glow, I just like to give some more neutral glow to the face. So I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. Again, I don't know the colors, but I can put everything down in the description bar for you guys if you are interested. But this highlight, it just gave her a nice subtle glow. And then I am going in with the Wide Awake eyeliner. And you guys, I'm still learning as well. And again, she is a makeup artist herself, so she's just trying to help me better place the eyeliner on clients' eyes, so that way I'm not stabbing them or making them cry. I like to do it one way, but she said it's best for the client to do it this way, so that's what I did. And I felt like the Wide Awake eyeliner gives you a more awakened look. And with me, I like to also go in with some mascara for the bottom lashes, because I do feel like it gives you that girly look. So I like to bring the bottom lashes out some more. And then I'm going in with my Sephora's collection, and this is their popular lip liner in Molasses, and it's just that perfect deep brown to start your ombre lip. am super obsessed with this look, you guys. Please let me know in the comments below how you are loving this look. My model looks absolutely gorgeous. I love a bold, full glam look, you guys. Y'all definitely gotta subscribe to the channel after seeing this look. And of course, if you are in the Tampa Bay area, don't forget to check out my business Instagram and book me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.